Hi, I'm Valentine, and this is my mate
Bogdan.
and today we're gonna replace the fuel flap door actuator on my BMW E70. Stay with us and we're gonna learn it together. In order to replace the actuator, we have to strip the right side of the car and put the seats down.
And to strip the right side of the car, we brought ourselves a nice set of tools, which today we are going to try and fix the car and not breaking any tools. So I think they are going to be a lifesaver. So I'm going to put the seats down.
It's a handle in here that we have to lift up. For that we're gonna use this kind of tool, remove all the plastic bolts. So they're like that, and when you use the tool, you just have to lift them. So the sides, they are gonna leave more room so you can pull it off. There's one right here, one on the other side. This one is quite tricky to get, so you really should get a tool or something like mine. That's a 10.
We might have to disconnect the battery.
Yeah.
That looks like an earth.
Yes.
Where's the battery on this one?
Right here. So let's disconnect the battery.
Yeah, where's the battery? We're gonna have to move some wires to get to that. So we're gonna disconnect the battery just to be safe.
There are 3 screws that's holding up the plastic bit that's covering the battery. 2 are right here and 1 is right there at the minute. Let me see if it's another one hidden somewhere. Can't see nothing. That was quite easy.
The sun is quite bad on the camera.
It's a lovely day in Suffolk today. So now the battery is disconnected. We can work safe around all the wires in there. The fuse box is still on the right side in there, so it's better if you disconnect the battery. We're supposed to do that on the beginning, but we didn't know what to expect in there, so let's work it up together.
Let's start back in.
We can see the actuator in there. We're gonna need some T's, I would say T10. There are 2 bolts in there that we have to remove. and that's the plug. I have to remove that one too, and it's gonna come off.
That's the very T10 you said?
Yeah. Actually, I have them in here.
And C20.
I have them in here.
I've got it. This is the old one.
We're gonna get the newer one in.
Let's see. So this is the old one, and I'm gonna take one of the screws because the new one has got one missing. Yeah, it should be straightforward. I don't know how I'm gonna get this rod to go back into its place. That's gonna be tricky, but hopefully not that tricky. So I just realized in here, got this where the rod comes through. So it's got the catch in there. If you spin it, it should come out, and then hopefully we will be able to do something with it. Okay. Okay.
Show that to the camera. So I may remove this part so we can see the other bit coming in. That's gonna be much easier now. So this bit has two things that's holding it. So I think if you screw it 45 or 90, I think it's 90, it's gonna get back in place. Connect the battery now.
With the rod in, we are going to try to see if it comes out enough when locking and unlocking. Obviously that little rod has to go into the latch, and it will work, and it does work.
Now we're gonna get all the parts in.
that's it for today. We replaced the part. Now it's all working. The flap isn't opening anymore when the car is locked. Thanks for watching. This was us B&V Wrench Kings. If you like the video and if you find it helpful, drop us a like and a subscribe. Thank you.
See you in the next one. Ești panoramă, nu poți de puțin de râs. So that's it for today. Job done. We managed to replace. Haide.
Și cercul ăla tu și zici că e blocată.
Mai de mă iau.
Ai becul și pe aici. Aici cred că închis câinele în mașină, era altfel răcăit.
Hai mă, job done. We managed to replace the part. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Did you have it? You're facing me.
Yeah, that's very strange.
Isn't it?
Yeah.